If you're planning to visit Honolulu and will be renting a car from Avis, and you're part of a preferred program, stay watching and I'll show you step by step how easy it is to get to your car and be on your way here on Travel Tricks. Before I get started, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to this channel as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. If you are part of the Avis Preferred program, you already know it's a fast and easy service to get you quickly to your car and on your way, without having to stand in long lines filling out pages of paperwork. Before I continue, if you're thinking about joining Avis Preferred or wanting to learn more about it, I'll post a video at the end of this one to go over the benefits of using this service. When you're about to land in Honolulu Airport, all you want to do is get your baggage and head over to the car rental services. When you arrive to the car rental section of the airport, you will see a number of car rental companies. At the far right is Avis. If you're a preferred member, you need to keep going. This is only for customers that are not Avis Preferred members. If you come here, you'll be in line for a while and then eventually turned away. Preferred members go up the escalator or use the elevator, which is located to the left. Once you're on the second floor, you have arrived. This is where your Avis app will come in handy. When you open it up, you'll have all the information at your fingertips. A type of vehicle, where it can be located, will all be listed on the app. You walk to the vehicle, the keys will be waiting for you inside. From here, you drive your vehicle to the exit, and you have a QR code. This is located on the app. You give it to the employee, they will scan the code, and you're on your way. It's that fast. In and out, it's done. It's easy as that. Now, you can enjoy driving and having the freedom to explore one of the most beautiful places on Earth. Thank you for watching this video. If you're not an Avis Preferred member and want to know more and how it works, or how to find your car rental at the Honolulu airport, check out these videos. And check out all my videos. And please, subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Thank you.